Hi Marsha, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a review of your WordPress website, MG Spear. And I'm on the home page. I really love the colors, the background, and they are really appealing. There seems to be a exposed code in the top left corner, so there could be some kind of unfinished coding or not wrapped in the right in the right coding wrapper as it should, so worth looking into that. Top navigation looks great. I would remove the last one, perhaps make sure that all of the links fit in within one line, but otherwise than that, it looks great. You've got search bar here at the top. The text in this in on this particular image is a little bit difficult to read, so it would be great to add it perhaps a white text against this image or different image background to make it more easier to read basically. So you've got subscribe here. Your website could be marked down a little bit for the user experience or the accessibility, mainly because of the color of the font against dark background. If you wanted to use this background, I would darken it a little bit further, especially this area, and perhaps use white font because this orange one, especially the red one, can be a little bit difficult to read, especially for someone who might be visually impaired. So that could be an issue in terms of SEO, which is obviously Google's very big on user experience and accessibility. Okay. I would add a footer navigation. Your footer, for some reason, has got a lot of unnecessary elements. For example, the subscribe element could be either with horizontal layout, for example, on the right-hand side. Otherwise than that, your footer is very oversized. And I would add also secondary navigation to make people jump to other parts of the website as well. Okay, so here's the shop section, and I love the products displayed here. So all of them are easy to see, so that's great. And you mentioned that you are converting well, so that's perfect. I don't think there's anything wrong with the website. I would work on this design and usability elements, as I mentioned, the color, this coat in a corner, font against the busy images, and I'm glad that this website is working for you. And obviously, if you've got any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.